My studio is a mess. I'm living in a rat's nest here. I've wanted to make my studio just a bit more functional for a long time, and so I thought today was the day. I got a couple little pieces of furniture that I can spice up this place with. I'm not going to be able to go full tilt on this room because if I did, I would want to like rip up the floor, paint the walls, but we're gonna have to make do with just a little spicing up. Okay, so what do we need to do here? I want to add a real plant in the corner. This is actually just a fake thing. This table is just filling up way too much of my space. I want to actually put it against this back wall. I also need to cover those oogly lights. But that means I'm gonna have to cut it off so that I can open the door fully. I got a mirror and FlexiSpot sent me a standing desk. I would really like to send this shelf to the dump. I don't like it, but I think we're gonna have to make do with it for now. Here's all my machines. This whole wall has just been cleared of stuff. I need to fix it up, okay? Well, as you can see, I have my work cut out for me, so let's get cracking. It's exciting. Feels amazing, even just to clear off this table. It's been a mess for a while. Did I just migrate some of the mess to other parts of the room? Yes. Is it problematic? Yes. Am I going to fix it up? Yes. This room is gonna be sparkling. I'm feeling powerful today, so I'm going to start setting up standing desk. Thank you to FlexiSpot. I need to level up my desk situation here, so luckily they came to my rescue. The location of my desk. Ooh. Yeah, I know they have a video for how to set it up. I ain't gonna wing it. I found it. Outside. Wow, this is so pretty. We don't need power tools here.
5 minutes later.
Oh my goodness! Okay, this desk has been a literal godsend. I really needed a home for my domestic machines, something that looked nice but was still highly functional. This particular FlexiSpot desk is the electric height adjustable standing desk EQ3. For this particular model, you can choose between black or white legs. Then there's the beautiful bamboo desktop. I went with the white legs because I felt like it really fit with my whole studio vibe. The most important feature about this desk for me is the adjustable height, because I often stand to sew small parts of garments, But then again, sometimes I'm working on a longer project and I want to sit, so this desk provides tremendous versatility for my workflow. The height adjust function also encourages correct posture. I'm actually terrible with posture, but thankfully I can tailor this desk to match my height so that I can sit and stand without messing up my back. So if this desk looks as beautiful to you as it does to me, and you happen to need it for your space, you're in luck, because I have a link in the description that will give you $15 off your purchase. Thanks again to FlexiSpot for sponsoring this portion of the video. This desk alone has made this studio so much more useful to me. My husband is now going to help me cut off the end of this table, and now I have to clear off this table. So let's do it! Done! So I've got my line 9 inches from the edge. Time to sand the table, those jagged edges. Ooh, so smooth. This is going to obstruct the camera angle. Well, good night.
Hi, Pepper. You can come in if you want. Yes, come on.
As you can see, I finally cleared out my shelf. I decided I'm going to paint it a nice kind of like maybe emerald green or sagey kind of color. It is time to get some paint. Ooh, yes! Green. Ooh. I think that's too dark. Anyway, okay, that's one idea. Deciding on this color. Ooh.
I just did that. I wanted to see how it felt.
How does it feel?
Hmm?
How does it feel? And I ain't a painter like you is.
What you doing?
Good morning, it is a new day, and I am ready to get this place looking shiny. We're at the nursery getting some philodendrons because I need some hanging plants. I'm very excited. How cool! Hi! This is what I'm looking to get. Time to repot these. And I need to hang my plant right over there. Just painted this, or well, Dave had this painted earlier and it's dry. Well, it's almost dry, but it's dry enough. There's a spot of tea. Cute little plant. Thank you, dearest. Yay!
It's still wipe it when it's on.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you.
I think these lights are super ugly. They're just a stain on my studio, the look and all. So I'm gonna cover them, and I'm just gonna use muslin. I'll just overlock it. Okay, I'm just gonna measure this. Perfect. Iron. Definitely take off a bunch on the end. Done. Oh my goodness. Should not have put that shelf there. I wonder if this is gonna obstruct the camera angle. My little set of drawers came. Yay! Thank you. Can't lift it. Push it. You know? My husband and I are moving the location of this over a little bit. So watch us lift it because we're strong like that.
Let's get down to business.
It's done! We didn't get to finish putting up the shelves last night, but we marked everything and decided where it was gonna go. So I'm gonna finish up and put them on the wall today, and then this whole room will be done. And yes, I'm wearing the sweatsuit again. It's my favorite thing to wear in these colder months. It's also a pattern, so you can check that out. But yeah, let's do this. I realized that this kind of requires 2 people to put up the shelf. So I thought to myself that this flexi spot table moves itself up and down. Put this on until it's at the point where I need it. Okay, now that I'm done, it's time to tidy up, add the finishing touches, and I'll show you what it looks like. much sums up my mini budget-friendly studio makeover. I'm really happy with the results. I just feel like I can like breathe in here. There's space for me to move around. I'm excited to make more videos for you guys. So if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see behind the scenes and see what I'm working on. Check out my patterns. How else can I promote myself? Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. There's so much room in here that you can dance. Let me demonstrate for you. Dude, just don't let me. Oh, my earring! You can dance in here.